Mini and electric go hand in hand. So Mini is urban, electrification offers a fast way to improve air quality in cities, and above all the Mini electric is fun to drive. It's quick, it offers that go-kart feeling that you expect from a Mini, and that's great. Well, the Mini electric is an important milestone for the BMW Group electrification strategy. BMW Group is a pioneer when it comes to electrification. It started in 2013 with the launch of the BMW i3. In 2018, we were the market leader in Europe when it comes to electrified vehicles, not just in the premium segment, all over. And that's a proof of our strong and consistent electrification strategy. In 2019, we offer, for example, plug-in hybrids across the entire range, from the 2 Series all the way up to our flagship 7 Series. Of course, we have the i3, we have the i8, and now also the Mini electric, so that urban go-kart feeling, fully electric. BMW Group is a leader when it comes to electrification. In 2018, we were the market leader in Europe with electrified vehicles, so that's a combination of fully electric and plug-in hybrids, and we are accelerating our electrification strategy. So we will offer 25 electrified vehicles in 2023 already, and it is 2 years earlier than originally planned.